Hi guys, today we have an interesting video. Over here we have a Nathan air chime P3 horn. Pat pending. Yep. Nathan air chime. Seals. Back caps. Yep. This is the real train horn that you find on the trains. There's my other collections. So this is a Nathan P3, one that I've always wanted. I might have to get a bigger compressor though. I don't know yet. Yeah. I'm gonna see how my compressor does, hopefully. But this is my Nathan Air Chime P3 horn. Very happy that I got it. And I got another one down on the floor. See that? Look at that. I wonder what you're saying, Chris. You're probably saying, did Jeff steal these from Norfolk Southern? No, I didn't. I acquired these from those guys. Those guys, and there's all the garbage from the boxes. There's the two boxes it came in. So certain people on my channel don't accuse me of stealing. There's evidence right there. The boxes from Horn Blasters. Right there and there. That these two horns came in. There's my collection. It's just a shame that I don't have the correct port to blow these. One thing to mention, these came off of retired locomotives. Which means their locomotive went in the retired service, no longer running anymore. So these horns are off of retired locomotives that no longer work anymore. So yeah, I'm happy I got it. Just astounding. So, let me know what you think about this. And just leave me a comment.
Line with BTG help desk. It was not initializing, showing disengaged. The map, there was no GPS signal, so he wanted me to reach out to you for instructions to proceed. Over. Sorry, what train is this? I didn't get the number. Amtrak KP 701 at milepost FK 2.0. Over. All right, that's the Roger KP 701. Okay to proceed from where you stand. Signal indication. Over. We're okay to proceed from where we stand on signal indication. Over. Good copy. Here we go. Amtrak KP 701.